just mentioned, we are professional make the 3D printer filament machine. This is our production lab. The first one is the hopper, dryer hopper. You can dry the material from here. And this is PLC control system. You can see the diameter. It is the tolerance is very good. And this is extruder. And the die head. Our die head is heating, is copper heater system. And the filament will come here. This is hot water tank. The water tank is circulation system. And the cold water tank. Here, it can blow the moisture from here. This is laser. Laser, you can see the diameter. The diameter should be controlled. Under 1.8. This is tractor. The tractor machine and the storage filament. The storage filament, it can give you enough time to change the spots. Now we designed a new system to cutting the filament from here. And if you use this, you can cutting the filament by automatic. Later I will show you. 好了，你给它换一下，能换吗？
这么多米数呢？
没到米数啊。现在能换吗？没到米数能换吗？
那我这个不断的，自动排断。
这是自动的啊？你怎么设的？
我设置这个米数。
Here you can setting the different meters from here. When you, for example, 降低。When you set the different meters, 错了。The cutting system will be cut the filament as you are setting meter. 再设定，对着这。